was gonna wear mine, but then I didn't. We went to get breakfast, had a late morning. It's like almost noon. We need to be at the church at 1:30, so probably like 1:15, 1:20. About to shower, get dressed, then head over to the church, the ceremony, and then the plan is to come back, grab the pups, so that Laura and Sean can take pictures with the pups at Central Park. So yeah. We're at the subway stop, waiting to go to the church. Suits are kind of, like I don't like being in them a lot, but when I'm in them, I feel like sophisticated and professional. Or like in a James Bond movie, it's kind of cool. And here comes the subway. Look at the bridal party, they're so cute. James and I look like professional dog owners. And like the photographer was like, yeah, I couldn't get water on the bus. And he's like, do you have water? Do you have money for water? I was like, yeah. So I went to go get it, and I was like waiting for him to finish pictures while I gave him a water, and it just felt like I was like on someone on set. And just like, y'all need the dogs? All right, here are the dogs. Y'all need water? Here are the dogs. Like, water. Y'all need coffee? I'll go get coffee. Like, it's so dumb, but kind of funny. But yeah, I don't know how long we'll be here, but I'm gonna take the dogs back to the apartment and then meet them up for the reception afterwards. Sunglasses are nice. I need to buy prescription sunglasses. I cannot read a damn thing. Damn, kind of perfect. Right next to it.
Why does it need to be that tall?
I don't know, but dude, it's kind of cool, man. Is it in here?
It's that way.
It's that black one, right? That's what I thought.
I don't know. Is that one? The black one?
I thought that's what it was.
I don't know where exactly. I just know we have to go around.
Oh, okay. Table 5. There's no way you're at a different table. Yeah, 5.
It's just a 3.
Get your drinks. An espresso martini.
Okay, nice.
Gross. Would not recommend it.
Really?
It is so coffee forward.
Yeah.
And then a Manhattan, which is
Yeah.
it's okay.
Well, that's whiskey though, right?
Yeah.
I can't do it. I'll throw up on site. I need to find Haley. Where is Haley Cantway? We got, I don't know, some duck, like, I don't know, that's not a tortilla, but like a tortilla thing. We got a shrimp thingy, dumpling. No, this is a dumpling. What's this? Pork bun. And this?
I think that was the best one.
Still on the search for Haley. Can't wait. Don't know where she is.
There's Haley.
Oh, that was so fast.
There's literally no one alive.
Damn. I found her.
Sorry, I didn't know I was supposed to be right here.
Don't rush perfection.
Finally, put your hands together for the first time as husband and wife, the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. Sean and Laura.
So we're at the reception for Sean and Laura. Congrats to them. It's gorgeous. I mean, Central Park is so cool. I'm fascinated by it, and like all the buildings over here, it's so sick. I don't know what we're doing after this. I think there's an after party and stuff, but I don't think I'll get any good footage. So I think I'm gonna cut it there. Tomorrow, the plan is to hit up Chinatown and then figure out where over the day takes us. Hopefully we're not too hungover, but that's the plan. Just want to give a shout out to Sean and Laura for the invite, and also congratulations to them. But yeah, that'll be it for the vlog. So peace. See you next time.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't